Hello, and welcome to this short video focused on two different ways of marking assessment tasks submitted through the Dropbox in Ultra. The intended learning outcome for this video is for you to identify two different ways of marking assessments submitted online through Ultra. First, I'm going to demonstrate how to mark inline and then use an online rubric to provide feedback to the student. So I'm going to open the assessment task, and you can see here that I have one submission. In order to view this submission, I'll just click on this tab and you'll see that I have one attempt to grade. So again, to access the submission, I click here. And if I scroll down, this is the student submission. When I click on these three dots here, you can see that you've got two different ways of accessing this particular submission. I'm going to show you both ways, but the first is through the preview file. So you can see that this has opened up the box inline grading tool, and I can use a drawing tool or make comments on this text, and it's automatically saved. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with using box, I'll just demonstrate how to use these tools. So you just click on the pen tool, and then you can highlight or underline, click on save, and click on done. And then to leave a comment, draw a comment box, make a comment, post that comment, and then press or click on close. So that's how to use those tools. In order to provide feedback to this student using the online rubric, I'm going to scroll back up to the top of the page and click on the rubric icon. So the rubric opens in the peak panel. You can see here I've got the first criteria with the different standards, criteria 2 and criteria 3. Because this is just a dummy, I'm just going to go through and click on each. You can see here that the grades are being totaled, and I'm going to click on this last one, and that will finalise the rubric and provide the student with a grade. You might have noted that I couldn't provide any text feedback along with those criteria or the standards. So if you wish to provide your student with some text feedback, click on this icon and it brings up a feedback box. You can type feedback, and you can also add a range of different types of files, which I'm going to show you next. So I'm just going to click on save. This assessment task is now finished being assessed, so I'm going to close this box and it brings me back to here. So in order for the student to receive their assessment back with the rubric, you need to click on post and post the grade, and you'll see that that's now complete and it's been posted. That's one of the ways of marking assessment online. So I'm going to show you the second way now. So I'm going to close out of this assessment task and open another one. Again, I've got one submission, so I'm going to click on that, and again click on the attempt to grade. So again, the student submission is down at the bottom here, but you'll also note that I don't have a rubric. This is the place where you can put the grade in, and I can still provide feedback. In order to download and mark this, I'm going to click on those three dots and click on download file. I'm going to open it with Word, and there's a submission. I can use the normal tools to provide feedback. I'm just going to save that, and then I'm going to provide feedback using my criteria sheet, which is also in Word. So I'm just going to highlight these boxes and save that. Minimise both those. Now, in order to provide feedback to the student, I click on this box. Please see attached files for feedback. And then I'm going to add the 2 local files, 2 in there that I don't want. Just delete those. Save that. And then posting a grade, I need to actually physically enter a grade here. So 64. And again, we come back to this screen, the grade's there, and I click on post and confirm that. And it's been posted, and this is now complete. So I hope this video has been useful, and thank you for watching.